Someone's firing. Evasive actions. Wow, it took off nice. It must be in safe because, yep, it took off like a dream. So now I got AS3X Plus. But man, this could be back up in the air with this plane. Just wanted to fly it around. Hopefully the tail cam's working, which is something I've wanted to add for a little while. It's just kind of cool. But it's also really nice out. I really should fly more on nights like these because it's hard to ask for anything else. No wind, really nice. Nice night to get the big old planes out here. Man. I also wanted to try, since this plane has so much authority, a flat spin. I tried to do it in the UMX Crescendo. That more obviously didn't work, or it just didn't have the authority necessary. But this plane does. So I'm gonna go up higher, which is usually the right call. And I think it was both sticks out. Let's see, actually, am I trimmed out? Yeah, sure. So if I go... The thing is, I don't know what that looks like from the ground. I don't know if it looks good or not. But if I go up, maybe I go both sticks out. It just feels like I'm always rolling because the stick all the way this way just rolls. I'm also not even in full deflection on the ailerons. There it is. But I guess we can try it again if it's both pinched in. So if I go... It's something with the rudder, just a big old flat spin. But I guess we can do another low pass because I think those look really cool. Such a breezy plane, and I'm flying on 4-cell. I've only ever flown this on 4-cell. I may have flown it once on 3-cell, but trim it so I just fly level. Big old dive. Touch and go, proving that I can do that. So much power with this plane. I want to do something inverted and then something crazy. So if I go upside down and then I pull the sticks, I don't know, that looks cool from my perspective, but I don't know what it's actually doing. Nice crop dust, low and slow. Maybe I touch and go on this side. Just running it down. But man, this is such a nice night for flying. It's so peaceful. You just got a nice little tour around here. Man, this is so peaceful. Time to ruin it with flipping. That was something. That's just cranking the sticks and then hoping that something good happens. I'm gonna fly up and then look down. Man, only downside's a little buggy. I can feel it around my neck, but other than that, it's about as good as it gets. Flying with almost no stick. I'm gonna do more touch and goes. I'm gonna put full flaps, and then I just want to peacefully work on my landings. That was fine, I think, right? I think, am I supposed to flare the throttle more? Or maybe a glide slope? That's something, I don't know. If I just come in and try to just glide. Like, that seems good. Right? Yeah, that's fine. Bugs are biting. Like, that seemed reasonable. All the weird flips. Knife edge. Alright, well, I think I should probably bring this one in to land. I should probably have just a timer on my transmitter, but it does also use a little bit of telemetry, I think. Or at least it beeps when it gets low, but that might not be for this battery. So I'm going to put on half flaps, see if I can just float myself on in here. You know what? Full flaps. We're already here, might as well. A nice big old dive. Yes. That's pretty smooth. Alrighty, that's one flight. We'll be back in just a second with another one. Alright, without any further ado, still got full flaps. Super nice takeoff again. Probably a little floaty. I had the full flaps on. Don't know if they're necessary. I've still got full wing ailerons. Let's see if I just do a nice little glide around here. Let's see, I got a little rudder. Oh, that's the wrong one. There you go. Let's see, just a nice glide around the area. This is the Timber X, I've already said that. So you can have it as rolly as you want, or it flies super peaceful too. If you've been watching the videos of this channel, you know that I just worked on a little head tracking system for a little RC car, and the goal of that was not to be exclusively for RC cars, but rather to have them for planes like this, or really any plane, to add head tracking onto it, because it's super lightweight, it's really cool, and I think it'd be awesome to have head tracking on the Timber X. Could imagine just floating around and then just looking around. Like, that's my goal. So yeah, if you have seen that, great, you're keeping up with all of our videos, which is always nice. But that's the goal, is to have head tracking on all these planes, and I designed the system, to be really easy to plug into any system, because the 5-volt regulator that provides power to everything is anywhere from 6 to 30 volts, which should handle a 4-cell battery like this perfectly fine, meaning we can just use the balance lead from this battery that's already on the plane, no extra wires, and we'll put it right on the top so there's good airflow to make sure it doesn't get too hot. Let me just go straight up and stall, and fall down, and shoot the gap by the tree. I love how that sounds, because there's not any extra energy. That was just it falling, which is really cool. Let's see if I can do a little touch and go. Bounce and go. Let's see, you just do a runner. Plant the mains. The slowest takeoff straight into vertical. Oh, someone's firing. Evasive actions. Man, this is a fun plane. That's why I like the tinkering aspect of this hobby too. Just adding head tracking onto something like this would be so cool. Just love the possibilities, since it's so big and can handle itself already so well. So if I go like this and then I do a flat spin, I don't know, that look cool, I think. Maybe I'll do it over on this side when I'm next to cameras that can actually see it from the ground. I'll go up higher too. Wise men once said, you're not high enough up to do an inverted barrel roll. So I will go higher. Invert it, and then... and back to normal as if nothing happened. Do a little spiral. I just love how it sounds. Let's do, I always go let's see, counterclockwise. Let's go clockwise. I throw on the flaps. Nice low and slow. Touch and go. Touch and plant. And then just ever so, see, that's why I want to, that's how I want to take off. Just like that, a little more throttle at the end, but it's just so graceful. And then I take off and it feels like it just balloons and then it doesn't look good. I feel like I land like this way too fast. But it feels cool. Oh yeah, another thing I want to do this plane, I've talked about it for a while, is make this just a top loading canopy, like right where the stick cam is right now. That's where I want the battery hatch to be, like the new Timber X Evolution, I believe it's called. Like that is top loading, and that makes so much sense. It's so easy, and you can also have the safe calibrate, or when you plug it in, it has to be at least remotely flat so it can get the right whatever. But if it's underneath, you kind of got to wait for it, and I just want to make it top loading. It'd be so easy, or so much easier to just do everything I want. Let's see, I'm still over, yep. I should buy more 4-cell batteries, because on nights like these, it's like, well, I only have 2, because I had a third, but it broke. So if you're a battery manufacturer watching these videos, whoa, birds, feel free to reach out, because I'd love to test out batteries, review batteries. I just really want more batteries. But that's something that I've got to look into as well. So I guess I'll do another loop around here. Looking right at the sky. Look at that. I throw on flaps too. See how long we can just float here. Trying to have as little motor as possible that still keeps me relatively straight and flat here. Oop, I'm stalling. I don't think there's that much wind, but I don't feel like I'm moving all that much. Started to fly a little ugly. Let's see if I can just dive. Man, look at those landings. I'm learning. I'm getting better. At least I'm trying. Well, that's Inverted Aviators RC. We're going to wrap it up here. I only have 2 batteries. If I had more, I'd fly more. But it's a perfect night for flying. Again, this is the Timber X. Let's see if I can move that. But stick around if you want more videos like this. Let me know what other planes you want me to fly and try and projects to work on, because I love all the comments, all the interaction. It's awesome. I love it. But thank you so much for watching. Stick around for more videos like this.